ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरु भगवान शिवानंदाय नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः। गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानमूलं गुरोर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरोर्पदम् मंत्रमूलं गुरोर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरोर्कृपा। मोक्षमूलं शिवानन्दाकृपा। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम्। एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। यस्यान्तर्नादिमध्यं न हि करचरणं नाम गोत्रं न सूत्रं नो जातिर्नैव वर्णं न भवति पुरुषो नो नपुंसं न च स्त्री। नाकारं नो विकारं न हि जननं मरणं नास्ति पुण्यं न पापं नो तत्त्वं तत्त्वमेकं सहज समरसं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। चैतन्यं शाश्वतं शान्तं व्योमातीतं निरञ्जनं नादबिन्दुकलातीतं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानमूलहरणं जन्मकर्मनिवारणं ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यार्थं गुरोपादोदकं पिबेत्। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः शिवाय गुरवे सच्चिदानन्दमूर्तये निष्प्रपञ्चाय शान्ताय निरालम्बाय तेजसे नित्यशुभं निराभासं निराकारं निरञ्जनं नित्यबोधं चिदानन्दं गुरु ब्रह्मा नमाम्यहम्। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। निधये सर्वविद्यानां विषजे भवरोगिणां गुरवे सर्वलोकानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय।
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश
पाहि मां। श्री गणेश श्री गणेश श्री गणेश रक्ष मां। जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती जय सरस्वती पाहि मां। श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती श्री सरस्वती रक्ष मां। जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा पाहि मां। जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा जय श्री दुर्गा रक्ष मां। जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली पाहि मां। जय श्री काली जय श्री काली जय श्री काली रक्ष मां। जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी पाहि मां। जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी जय श्री लक्ष्मी रक्ष मां। सरवण भव सरवण भव सरवण भव पाहि मां। सुब्रह्मण्य 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 रक्ष मां। दत्तात्रेय 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 पाहि मां। दत्तगुरु 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 रक्ष मां। शिवानन्द 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 पाहि मां। शिवानन्द 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 रक्ष मां। जय गुरु शिव गुरु हरि गुरु राम। जगद्गुरु परम गुरु सद्गुरु श्याम। आदि गुरु अद्वैत चिद्गुरु आनंद गुरु ओम चिद्गुरु चिन्मय गुरु चिन्माया गुरु ओम जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम जय राधे श्याम जय जय राधे श्याम जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान जय हनुमान जय जय हनुमान हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे शिवानंदा शिवानंदा सद्गुरुनाथा शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा शिवानंदा 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 सद्गुरुनाथा शिवानंदा जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबंधनहारी जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव ब्रह्मा विष्णु सदा शिव गुरु मूर्ति धारी वेद पुराण बखानत गुरु महिमा भारी जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव जप तप तीरथ संयम दान विरत दीने गुरु बिन ज्ञान न होवे बोधि जतन कीने जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव माया मोहन दी जल जीव बहे सारी नाम जहान पिता कर गुरु बल में धारी जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव काम क्रोध मद मत्सर चोर बड़े भारी ज्ञान करक दे कर में गुरु सब संहारी जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव नाना पंथ जगत में निज निज गुण गावे सबका सार बता कर गुरु मार्ग लावे जय देव गुरुदेव जय देव गुरुदेव गुरु चरणामृत निर्मल सब बाधक हारी वचन सुनत तम नाशे सब संशय तारी जय देव सब अर्पण गुरु चरणन की जय। शिवानंद परम पद मोक्ष गति लीजे। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव। ओम जय गुरुदेव दयानिधि दीन हितकारी। जय जय मोह विनाशक भवबंधनहारी। जय देव गुरुदेव, जय देव गुरुदेव।
Om. O adorable Lord of mercy and love, salutations and prostrations unto thee. Thou art omnipresent, omnipotent and omniscient. Thou art Sachidananda. Thou art the indweller of all beings. Grant us an understanding heart, equal vision, balanced mind, faith, devotion and wisdom. Grant us inner spiritual strength to resist temptations and to control the mind. Free us from egoism, lust, greed, anger and hatred. Fill our hearts with divine virtues. Let us behold Thee in all these names and forms. Let us serve Thee in all these names and forms. Let us ever remember Thee. Let us be ever loyal to Thee. Let us ever sing Thy glories. Let Thy name be ever on our lips. Let us abide in Thee forever and ever. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. O all-merciful Gurudev, every thought of my mind, every emotion of my heart, every movement of my being, every feeling and every sensation, each cell of my body, each drop of my blood, all is yours, Gurudev, yours absolutely, yours without any reserve. Gurudev, you can decide my life or my death, my happiness or my sorrow, my pleasure or my pain. Gurudev, whatever you do with me, whatever comes to me from you, will lead me to your lotus feet. Gurudev, you have provided us with the best facilities in the world for our spiritual growth. May we take full advantage of this precious gift of yours, Gurudev. May we look upon the ashram and all its contents as your body and treat them with love and reverence. This is our heartfelt prayer to you, Gurudev. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, राह में आए जो दीन दुखी, सबको गले से लगा के चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। संगी साथी ईश्वर है रखवाला, जिसका न कोई संगी साथी ईश्वर है रखवाला। जो निर्धन है, जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। जो निर्धन है, जो निर्बल है, वो है प्रभु का प्यारा। प्यार का मोती प्यार का मोती लुटाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। आशा टूटी, ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा। आशा टूटी, ममता रूठी, छूट गया है किनारा। बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा। बंद करो मत द्वार दया का, दे दो मुझको सहारा। दीप दया का दीप दया का जलाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो। ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, ज्योत से ज्योत जगाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो, प्रेम की गंगा बहाते चलो।
Om Namo Bhagavate Sivanandaya. On behalf of our Divine Master, Sri Swami Sivananda and Pujya Swami Sahajananda, we extend a warm and cordial welcome to all to this online Yoga Camp Satsang for the month of August. We also extend a special welcome to donors, well-wishers, and devotees tuning in for the first time, and to devotees from overseas countries. We read from Guru Bhakti Yoga by Sri Swami Sivananda. By serving the Guru, one learns how to contact God. He who is free from delusion will never be treacherous to his Guru. He who desires to occupy the gadi of his Guru Maharaj while he is living will get a direct passport to hell. Even the Lord of Death is afraid of him, because he may desire to occupy his throne there. He who does Pada Puja to his Guru on the sacred Guru Purnima day will get success in all undertakings throughout the year. To love one's Guru Bhai is to love the Guru. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Be good, do good. If one does wicked deeds, he is filled with hatred and disharmony. He becomes brutal and hence falls into lower births. If he does pure, virtuous actions, he moves towards light and peace. He becomes divine. Therefore, entertain good thoughts and do righteous actions. You will enjoy eternal happiness. Tact. A tactful person must have quick, sound judgment, kind feeling, and common sense. He should know when to talk and when to observe silence. He should know what to say and how to say it. He should observe and understand the feelings of others. He should learn to listen calmly and carefully. Adaptability. He who knows the art of adaptability gets on quite well in this world. He is ever cheerful and happy under all conditions. He is free from tension and worry. Adaptability links people in bonds of love and harmony. It gives one strength. One who knows how to adapt oneself is always calm and peaceful. Non-injury. Ahimsa or non-injury is not merely negative non-injury. It is positive cosmic love. It is a mental attitude in which hatred is replaced by love. Ahimsa is true sacrifice, forgiveness, and power. Only ordinary people feel that ahimsa means not to hurt any living being physically. This is only its gross form. Forms of injury. To fail to relieve another's pain, or even to neglect to assist a person in distress, is a form of injury. It is a sin of omission. Give up all forms of harshness, direct or indirect, positive or negative, immediate or delayed. Practice ahimsa in its purest form and become divine. Ahimsa and divinity are one.
Be good and do good. The whole of ethics and right conduct are contained in these words. If you practice it, you will lead a rich, divine life.
Faith. Faith is a gift of God. It works wonders. It gives strength and courage. Faith is no faith if it is not tested and tried over a long period. Ill luck, sufferings, pains and difficulties are tests of God to make our faith pure and strong. So meet them cheerfully and take them as the grace of the Lord. Self-analysis. What is the goal of life? Am I following the path of light or the path of darkness? Do the sense pleasures of this world give one real happiness and peace? Are my actions bringing happiness to others, or are they causing misery and sorrow? Study all your thoughts and actions and see that they ennoble you. Courtesy. Courtesy sweetens one's life and makes one noble. Like grace and beauty, it renders smooth the road of life. A sweet smile, a little kindness, a little courtesy, a little feeling for others, practiced all the time, will add great charm to one's life and character. Let your courtesy be pure, simple, and natural. Injuring another. All harsh and rude speech is himsa, which is violence or injury. Harsh words to beggars, servants, or inferiors is himsa. To wound the feeling of others by gesture, expression, tone of voice, and unkind words is also himsa. To slight or show deliberate discourtesy to others is wanton himsa. True ahimsa. If you practice ahimsa, you should bear insults, criticisms, and assault also. You should never retaliate or wish to offend anyone under provocation. You should not have evil thoughts against anybody. You should not harbor anger or curse anyone. You should be prepared to lose even your life to uphold truth.
Willpower. Never complain of your bad surroundings. There are always difficulties, disadvantages, and trials at every place. Create your own mental world wherever you are. The mind will delude you. It will always tell you that the grass on the other side of the fence is greener. Develop your will. Yield not to temptations. Love. Love is the golden link or tie which binds heart to heart, mind to mind, soul to soul. Love is the crowning grace of mankind. Life is a sweet flower, of which love is the honey. Love is the very life breath of your heart. It is not affected by insults or offense. Love knows how to adapt and adjust, to forgive and forget. Good character. Character is the essence of man. The sum total of all his virtues forms his character. It has been rightly said that when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. But when character is lost, everything is lost. Such is the glory and importance of a pure and virtuous character. Adapt yourself. Adaptability is a most noble quality by which one adapts or fits oneself with others, whatever may be their nature. One who has adaptability accommodates himself easily to others, whatever the conditions may be. It is the most desirable virtue for success in life and has to be developed slowly. Power of thoughts. If you always cherish peaceful thoughts, the whole world will appear cool to you. But if your negative thoughts have spread their influence, then the world will seem to be a hot furnace. No circumstance compels you to cherish evil thoughts. Do not ruin yourself through imagination. It has no reality of its own.
சுடரி पुनरिया वारवै पुनर्ज्ञान संबंधन उरे सेवा तिरुनरिया तिरुनरिया तमवल्लवर कुलविने दीर्घजलितामे तिरुनरिया तमवल्लवर कुलविने दीर्घजलितामे
जय हरि बोलो जय सीताराम, गोपी गोपाल भजो राधे श्याम। जय हरि बोलो जय सीताराम, गोपी गोपाल भजो राधे श्याम। बोलो राम राम राम,
घनश्याम श्याम श्याम, बोलो राम राम राम, घनश्याम श्याम श्याम। श्री रघुनंदन श्री रामा, राज राजा जय रामा। श्री रघुनंदन श्री रामा, राज राजा जय रामा। नंद किशोरा नवनीत चोरा, वृंदावन गोविंद लाला। नंद किशोरा नवनीत चोरा, वृंदावन गोविंद लाला। बोलो राम राम राम, घनश्याम श्याम श्याम, बोलो राम राम राम, घनश्याम श्याम श्याम। जय हरि बोलो जय सीताराम, गोपी गोपाल भजो राधे श्याम। जय हरि बोलो जय सीताराम, गोपी गोपाल भजो राधे श्याम। बोलो राम राम राम, घनश्याम श्याम श्याम, बोलो राम राम राम, घनश्याम श्याम श्याम। श्री रघुनंदन श्री रामा, राज राजा जय रामा। श्री रघुनंदन श्री रामा, राज राजा जय रामा। नंद किशोरा नवनीत चोरा, वृंदावन गोविंद लाला। नंद किशोरा नवनीत चोरा, वृंदावन गोविंद लाला। बोलो राम राम राम, घनश्याम श्याम श्याम, बोलो राम राम राम, घनश्याम श्याम श्याम।
जय हरि बोलो जय
सीताराम, गोपी गोपाल भजो राधे श्याम। जय हरि बोलो जय सीताराम, गोपी गोपाल भजो राधे श्याम। बोलो राम राम राम, घनश्याम श्याम श्याम, बोलो राम राम राम, घनश्याम श्याम श्याम।
Om Namo Bhagavate Sivanandaya. Our announcements are as follows. We invite devotees and the public to join the following online home satsangs via the links on our website. Tuesdays, Ganga Aarti at 5:30 p.m. followed by Ramayan satsang. Thursdays, Ganga Aarti at 5:30 p.m. followed by Sri Hanuman Chalisa recital. Sundays, Ganga Aarti at 5:30 p.m. followed by satsang. Saturday, 22nd August 2020, Sri Ganesha Chaturthi, Ganga Aarti at 5:30 p.m. followed by satsang. The society is making a contribution to the reconstruction of the sacred Sri Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. In September 1950, our Divine Master visited Ayodhya and expressed the wish that there be a Sanskrit college and a place where the Ramayana could be studied at the sacred spot trodden by the holy feet of Lord Rama. Devotees are welcome to contribute via EFT or our fund raises. Devotees and visitors are respectfully requested to obey the lockdown rules in place and are informed that no one is allowed entry into our ashrams and branches during the lockdown period, except if authorized by the Board of Management. We offer special prayers to all those who are ill, the departed, our frontline workers, and for world peace. We remind all devotees to follow the rules for lockdown and to take extra care of the elderly and the very young, and to keep safe. Pujya Swamiji has given elaborate descriptions in our books of the value of the Mahamrityunjaya Mantra, Agni Otra, and Sri Hanuman Chalisa. Devotees are urged to continue with these practices regularly for their own safety and protection. Agni Otra will also help to bring rain. As per Pujya Swamiji's advice, the Mahamrityunjaya Mantra should be repeated all the time while driving. If we cannot repeat the mantra all the time, then repeat it as often as possible. It will help to prevent accidents, robberies, hijackings, and other calamities. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
ॐ नमो भगवते शिवानन्दाय 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्यमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् 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 ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षयमामृतात्।
श्री सद्गुरुदेव की जय। जय जय आरती विघ्न विनायक विघ्न विनायक श्री गणेश। जय जय आरती वेणुगोपाल वेणुगोपाल वेणुलोला भागवी गोरा नवयुग चोरा। जय जय आरती वेंकटरमणा वेंकटरमणा संकटहरणा सीताराम राधे श्यामा। जय जय आरती गौरी मनोहर गौरी मनोहर भवानी शंकर सांब सदा शिव उमा महेश्वर। जय जय आरती राजराजेश्वरी राजराजेश्वरी त्रिपुर सुंदरी महासरस्वती महालक्ष्मी महाकाली महाशक्ति। जय जय आरती अंजनेया अंजनेया हनुमंता। जय जय आरती दत्तात्रेय दत्तात्रेय त्रिमूर्ति अवतारा। जय जय आरती सद्गुरुनादा सद्गुरुनादा भगवान शिवानंद सद्गुरुनादा भगवान विश्वानंद। जय जय आरती विघ्न विनायक। ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु सर्वेषां शान्ति भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। श्री सद्गुरु भगवान की जय।